Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Erna Piladul Fahmi with student number 2052309. Okay, today I'm going to talk about a procedure text. Yeah, what is a procedure text? A procedure text is basically a set of clear, step-by-step instruction to help someone complete a task. Yeah, this is the type of text that tell us how to do or make something step by step. So we see it all the time in recipes, manuals, and even simple instructions like how to wash your hands, like that. Okay, so the main purpose of procedure text is to provide instructions so that people can follow a process correctly. Yeah, they help people follow a process easily. Okay, now that we understand what a procedure text is, let's talk about what makes good one. Yeah, a procedure text is easy to recognize because it has some key features. The first is uses imperative sentences, which are commands like mix the flour or turn on the oven. This makes the instruction direct and clear. Number two, including action verbs such as cut, boil, and pour, because we need to describe actions, yeah. Number three, to keep things organized, we use sequence words like first, next, then, and finally to show the correct order. Lastly, a procedure text is always written in present tense because it explains something that can be done at any time. Knowing this characteristic, yeah, all of the characteristic helps us understand the structure of a procedure text. Okay, a procedure text usually follows a simple format, simple structure. It starts with a title, yeah, the title that clearly states what the procedure is about, like how to make a cup of tea, how to wash your hand, like that, and then it has a goal, which explain what we are trying to achieve. Number three, we list the material needed, whether it's ingredients for a recipe or tools for assembling furniture. Yeah, and then comes the most important part, the steps. The step which provide instructions in the correct order. And the last one is some procedure texts also have a conclusion, which gives extra tips or final advice. Yeah, let's look at an example to make this clear. Yeah, let's say we want to explain how to make cup of the tea. Make a cup of tea. Here's how it would look. First, boil some water. Number two, put a tea bag in a cup. So then pour it into the cup and let the tea steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. Number four, if you like, add some sugar or milk. And finally, stir the tea and it's all ready to enjoy, like that. Now, when writing a procedure text, we use imperative verbs like cut, mix, pour, stir, boil, aid, bake, and fold. Yeah, these words give clear instruction on what to do. So, how do we make sure our procedure text is well written? Let's go over some tips. Yeah, I'll give you some tips. The most important thing is to keep short and simple. If instructions are too complicated, people will get confused, of course. Number two, make sure the steps are in the correct sequence so the process makes sense. Yeah. Number three, use imperative sentences. Yeah. So the instructions are direct and easy to understand. Number four, always include all necessary materials so the reader is prepared. And lastly, adding helpful tips or warnings can make the process even smoother, like that. Even though a procedure text seems easy to write, people often make mistakes. Yeah, let's talk about some common ones and how to avoid them. The first is missing important steps or making unclear instructions. If even one important step is missing, the reader might not able to complete the task. Of course, yeah. Number two, another mistake using past tense instead of present tense. Yeah. Number three, forgetting to list all the materials. Number four, writing too many or too few steps. Yeah. If we avoid these mistakes, our procedure text will be much clearer and easier to follow. Okay, for the last is conclusions. So procedure texts are everywhere and they make life easier by giving us clear instructions, whether it's following a recipe, assembling furniture, or learning a new skill. A well-written procedure text makes things simple and easy to understand. Now we learned how to write procedure text, so don't forget to keep practicing. Okay. And then thank you so much for watching and listening to me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.